Freddie. Freddie. And my boss is gone. She just left. She's been gone for a long time, but she left me in charge because I'm big. So I'm gonna go on a little trip too, just like my boss. So I'm gonna get in the car and I'm gonna go get me a job because I can't make violins right now because my boss is gone and I gotta be working because I'm big. So here we go. Come along with me and you can see if I can get me a job. Hi, Freddie. I have a paintbrush because my boss is gone, so I'm looking for a job, and I need you to hire me.
Oh, wow. That's awful nice of you. So what are you going to charge me to do this paint job?
I'm big, so I can paint.
Okay. Okay, so I'm glad. And so how much do I have to pay you in terms of money?
Oh, wow, money.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you want to do it for free?
No, can I have 25 cents an hour?
Oh, yeah, that'd be really nice.
Because I paint really good.
Okay, well, I appreciate it, Freddie.
Can I start painting today?
Yeah, if we got the paint and we can get it right to it.
Thank you. I'm gonna paint. Yay! I'm painting for 25 cents an hour. Yay! I'm gonna be painting all day long. Hey, you guys, I got me a job because I'm big, so I'm gonna start painting. So, hopefully I'll see you next week. Bye!